Hi children, how are you? Yeah, you are fine and you are learning everything at your home. Okay children, yesterday we have completed the discussion in the class. Okay children, now we are going to discuss today the E bit. Okay, in your textbook it is page number 34. Page number 34 as you can see here. Page number 34. Yes children? Yes, the E bit. Okay children? So, word wise, circle the meanings of the words or phrases in capitals. Okay. Yes children, let's see. Circle the meanings of words and phrases in capitals. Struggle, fight, play or sleep. Yes, the meaning of struggle is fight. Next one, recall, think, call or remember. Yes, that is remember. Please circle on the remember. Okay, this is the 34th page. Please you continue. Okay, transform, transform, changed. Transform means changed, not painted, not said. Atop, below, on top of or under. Yes, that is the meaning of on top of. Got the hang of, cried, felt, learnt. Got the hang of, we have seen in the lesson that is the meaning is learnt. Okay children, well aware of, I am well aware of my children or my book, that is called as know. I know, yes, I know about the book, I know about children, that is called as know. Suspect or fear, no, these two words will not come, this is the correct answer. So, let us see once again, struggle, fight, recall, remember, transform, change, atop, on top of, got the hang of, learnt, well aware of, no. Okay children? Yes. Next one is page number 35. Please come to the page number 35 and F bit. Fill in the blanks with the words and phrases given in exercise E. If you see in the exercise, what we have circled, we have to use them. We have to use them. Okay, we have to use this capital words. Okay, let us see. Okay, Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norway reached atop Mount Everest in 1953. So, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing, they have reached on Mount Everest, on the top of the Everest in 1953. Okay children? Next, John could not recall where he had kept his diary. So, he was not remember. So, remember means recall. You have to write recall. What is the spelling for recall? R-E-C-A-L-L. Next, Roshni has finally got the hang of cycling. So, Roshni has finally got the hang of cycling means learned how to ride the cycle. Next, Abraham Lincoln led the struggle against slavery in America. So, in the Americas, what the South African people are struggling a lot. So, he has leaded that. Yes, led. Okay, that is a past tense of lead. Okay. Abraham Lincoln led the struggle against slavery in America. After a month, the caterpillar transformed into a butterfly. So, the caterpillar is changing into a butterfly. Monica was well aware of her brother's decision to become a painter. So, Monica she knows that her brother want to become a painter. So, she is well aware of that her brother's decision to become a painter. Okay, this is a small caterpillar. Yes. Next, G bit C children. Write one word for each of the following. The daughter of your son. Obviously, if my daughter is there and her son is there, then for me he is a granddaughter, right? Next, your uncle's wife. Yes, uncle's wife means aunt only. Next, male parent of the child, that is father. Yes, Father of your mother, grandfather. Father of your mother we are also called as maternal grandfather. Okay. Male partner in marriage, that is husband. Okay. Female partner in marriage is called as wife. Next, spell right. Spell right. The first and last letters in these words are the same. Use the clues in the brackets to find missing letter for each word. Okay. So here we have to write the first one and last word at the same. A nice smell. When it's a nice smell, then oh, wow, it's very nice. The aroma is very nice. Yes, that you have to say. Yes, aroma, aroma, A-R-O-M-A, aroma. Next word, a word that means very tasty, very delicious. It's very yummy. You will say na? Yes, that one is Y-U-M-M-Y. Next one, something that is very funny, that is comic. Yes, you will read all the comic books, right? And you feel very good, right? That one is comic, C-O-M-I-C. Next one, a bit overweight might be called this. Yes, if the animal or if any of the person is very somewhat heavy, then what we call as it's a plump in nature, right? That is called as plump. What is spelling for plump, children? P-L-U-M-P, plump. Okay. Next, loyal. Loyal means faithful or devoted. When you are faithful and devoted, then what you will say, hey, this person is very honest and loyal. This student is very honest and loyal to his studies. That we will say. Okay, children? Yes. So this is the homework, children. Dictionary check. This you can do the homework. Please do the homework, children. Okay. Dictionary check. Look up the dictionary to find the meanings of these words. Okay. What do you mean by slavery? What do you mean by racism? Prejudice, tolerance, okay, prejudice or prejudice, whatever you can call, okay. This please you just go to the dictionary and write the meanings here. Okay, children? Yes. So we have completed till here. The page number is 35. We have completed all the things. You just pause the video and you can write everything we have completed. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Take care. Bye-bye.